Nov Ngahiha Cia Kiumia. Reke twambĩrĩrie na cia BBI. Mũtongoria wa bũrũri, ikia mũhwa waku.
Let us now be mature.
Cokera rĩngĩ.
Let us now be mature.
Rĩtana rĩu waikia kũrĩu.
And I appeal especially to the political class. Don't divide these people, they don't deserve it.
Rĩu rĩ, nĩ mũtaratara ũrĩkũ mwega?
So lazima tutafute system sisi kama wa Kenya ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba kila Mkenya atajisikia yeye ni mshindi. Gavana wa Mombasa, okuona atia?
Shida haiko na Wakenya. Shida iko kwa hiyo BOMAS of Kenya today. This is where the problem lies.
Why goguo niki?
Na wewe mwenyewe umeona speaker after speaker. Kila mtu anaona kama we own this document.
Senator wa Elgeyo Marakwet ni ukirire muno uga kaundu.
Even the way Junaid you are running the program, we must make it a honest discussion.
Mutaratara wa igongona ninge nikiweka.
Your Excellency, it will be a lie for me to leave this stage without saying that this program has been skewed to leave other people who have different opinions to speak what they want to say.
Tatarĩrĩria we wa mũrĩka wona thĩna wĩha.
It starts, Your Excellency, with who mobilized the people who came to this podium. Because if this podium is going to be used to lecture other people and give other people views, we must, Your Excellency, come out and speak our voices. And so there is no way I will be told, as a leader in this country, I will be expected to sanitize politics in this nation, and our voices are not going to be heard when we speak here.
Haiya.
Just hold on. Just hold on.
Na muthia
Demand the right to be heard. And I demand the right for my views to be heard in the Republic of Kenya, like every other citizen of this republic. Wananchi watukufu, Harambee! Harambee! Tuwe na heshima, rais wetu yuko hapa. Mimi naona BBI itapita, lakini mpeni mtu huyu nafasi. Please give him time. Wacha yeye aseme yake na sisi tufanye yetu.
Ona Akenya rĩ mararĩ na mawoni megie BBI.
2022 rĩu mbona tutire BBI ĩranegenagĩrwo waiguaga atĩ tũtigwĩtĩkĩra rĩu mbona ũraigua makĩaria rĩu mbona no livu maranyua kũrĩa State House no livu
na rĩu rĩ nĩ thubu ũrĩkũ ũranyuo
na wa makumo angore mũtirĩ mwamenya nĩ maiguaga thenge ĩkagĩrwo macini-inĩ ĩgacamũrwo nginya mahĩndĩ mayo thubu ũcio ũikara harĩa ũmwe wona gũthigina
na ngĩtiriha.